Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. May I ask you for a subscription, please? The buff-rumped woodpecker, Meiglyptes tristis, is a species of bird in the family Picidae. It is found in southern Myanmar, Thailand, Malaya, Java, Sumatra and Borneo. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical dry forests and subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. The buff-rumped woodpecker was described by the American naturalist Thomas Horsfield in 1821 under the binomial name Picus tristis from a specimen collected in Java. The specific epithet tristis is Latin for sad or gloomy. The species is now placed in the genus Meiglyptes that was introduced by the English naturalist William John Swainson in 1837. Two subspecies are recognized. First one, Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, Borneo and nearby islands. Second one, Java. Some authorities treat the two subspecies as separate species. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon, and take care, be safe.